Alright, today's video is brought to us by Hostess. It is the Dinosaur Limited Edition. See right there, it's a limited edition. It doesn't say it's a Christmas edition, but if you look closely, you can see the green icing with the little red flecks. So that's today's sponsor, and we are looking at one of my early Christmas presents to myself. I found this at a hardware store for half price. It is an all-in-one. It's an all-in-one kit, windproof lighter, lighter fluid, and genuine flints. And of course it's Zippo with the lifetime guarantee. Well, there's nothing special about the Zippo fluid. It's just, let's see, that is 4 ounces. Nothing special about the flints. Just 6 little flints with the Zippo name on that plastic holder. And it does have some, kind of shows you how to change the flint. Shows you how to load it up with fluid. So let's take a look at this Zippo lighter. It only has this little protective thing around it. It did not come with a box, which is no big deal. That's just nothing. So let's take a look at this Zippo, and it is a nice brushed brass. And this one was made in, that looks like H of 22. So that is, I believe that's August. Really good stampings on this. And like I said, it's a brass, brushed brass. And it's got one of the best sounds I've heard in a long time from a Zippo. And it has the brass colored insert, and it lights up nice. And a couple other brass Zippos I have that are worth looking at. First, my favorite brass Zippo is the Star Trek Command insignia, and it's brass. It also has the brass colored insert. It might light. There you go. That was from 2013. So that's about 10 years old. Highly collectible. And another one of my very collectible is the Marlboro Cowboy. It's a really nice one. Click's not too good, and it came with the standard steel insert. And this one was made in B of X. And according to the Zippo regular lighter identification codes, X is 1994. So these are very hard to find. They have a few on eBay, but they're charging a fortune for them. I think I have maybe a half a dozen of these. Those are good. So let's do a drop test on this little brass Zippo. When I figured out how much it cost, normally if you buy this by itself, it's around $20. I think in that kit at half price it was about $8, so it's a real bargain. Let's do a drop test on this. A lit drop test. Oh yeah, passes the lit drop test. So that is the kit that I found a really good deal on, with a brushed brass Zippo, and that definitely deserves You know what? Knuckle bump.